Pizzeria in Auroville, every visit felt like a delicious adventure. Their pizzas, made with fresh, local ingredients, were a delight for the taste buds. We particularly enjoyed the rustic charm of the restaurant, which added to the overall experience. The staff at Tanto were not just friendly but also passionate about their food, which made the dining experience even more enjoyable. The wood fired pizzas were a highlight, with each bite offering a burst of flavors. They were very generous in letting us choose the veggies of our choice, and they made sure our pizza not only was tasty but also loaded with lots of veggies of our choice. If any of you are looking to have a veggie loaded pizza when you are in Auroville, we would highly recommend Tanto Pizzeria. One of the things I appreciated most about Tanto was their commitment to using locally sourced ingredients, which not only supported the community but also added to the authenticity of the food. Overall, Tanto Pizzeria in Auroville was more than just a restaurant. It was an experience that left us craving for more. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. We are always looking to hear from our followers. If you would like us to visit and review any vegan restaurant, please do let us know, and we would be happy to share our experience.